Hello, everybody. Hopefully, you can hear me finally. The mic should be running. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome on a stream. On today's stream, we're gonna have a chill talk. We're gonna quickly check BDC chart. We won't be redoing the levels that I have here, but I'm gonna show you some of the key levels that I am paying attention to right now and why I feel like they are likely to play out. Also, we're gonna check gold, so we're gonna check for some key levels here too, and we can have a look for some prediction that or for some next possible trades that I'm planning on a gold chart. So once again, thanks all for joining me today. We're gonna spend here 20, 30, maybe 40 minutes. We will see how it will go. So let me start with the Bitcoin. So what is happening right now on the BTC chart? Obviously yesterday we got to move to the downside approximately of yesterday was 11th of April, so we dumped approximately of 7%, 7.5%. That's quite a lot for move to the downside in one day. But there is one important level that I am paying attention to right now, so I'm gonna start with this. So let me start on 4-hour time frame, and on 4-hour time frame we can see this. So I'm gonna hide horizontals because we don't need them now. I'm gonna talk about them a little bit more in the upcoming minutes. So the level that I am paying attention to is this Fibonacci Wizards pocket from the swing low put to the swing high, approximately from 33,000 we can say up to 48, and this is giving us the level 618 and 66 right here. The second valid pull that would be here would be this one, which is basically the reason why we are stopping here. But why I am focusing more on this level than on that VP that I showed you right now at let's say 39,500. So there is a very simple reason behind this, and the reason is that we have more confluences around this area. And if the Fibonacci level is lining up with other key levels on the chart, it's likely we will go down to hit that level. Hopefully then we will get some bounce. So let me go more in depth, and we're gonna start using horizontals with the volume, combining all of these together. So what we can see is at 38,467 we have a monthly horizontal, a little bit below 38,395 on a Bybit chart we have a weekly one. So this is already giving us a really nice confluence. But once again, this is not everything. Another thing that I am paying attention to is, and maybe I'm gonna hide it now so it won't be confusing. By the way, thanks for joining me. Hi Anne, good evening, morning. Hi all. Yeah, good evening slash good morning. It depends on your time zone. I'm from Czech Republic, so right now almost 9 p.m. So the thing that I'm paying attention to is this previous range on the chart, which I view this as this box. Okay, this box, give or take, obviously we gotta bounce to the upside to hit the VP and not move to the downside. So imagine that this is our previous range on the chart, and then basically key level that I'm focusing at is this one with the value area high, low, but most importantly the POC 39,000 level here. But once again, this is not everything. We will go more in depth. So this is setting us another level of confluence, why we should get some bounce around this area. But let me continue here, because another level that we have is, let me go to the daily volume profile template on the ExoCharts. ExoCharts is an order flow software that we use for day trading, but obviously we can use this even for swing. The level that I'm paying attention to is a monthly naked point of control, which is coming in at 38,985, give or take, giving us the same level as we have from this previous range, right? So this is giving us pretty nice level of confluence. So what is my plan here? Well, I'm looking to use a ladder into position here, which basically means that I'm gonna start laddering in from, let's say, 39,000, and I'm gonna be looking to close my position in a loss if we will be losing 38,000. 38,000 is an important level to hold here on the chart. If I'm gonna show you the high volume nodes, I'm pretty sure we will have one here, and yes, we have. So really 39,000 area level, whatever, this is really extremely important right now on a BTC chart. And basically, just from showing you these blue boxes, you can be really successful with swing trading them. Basically, we got the absolute bottom on the chart, then we got a 38% move to the upside to our upper box, and now getting rejected from our high volume node upper box down approximately of 18%. So this is all you need for swing trading. Actually, if you want to be more advanced, you want to look for more high probability trades, I would say. You're going to implement more things into your trading system, your strategy, but these high volume nodes definitely something to pay attention to. Also new weekly there around. Let's have a look. Yeah, I guess you mean the one at 38,500, if I'm correct. Or maybe you mean this 37,790. Yeah, this is really like the last support on a chart. Maybe we will go down to take some liquidity here before getting moved to the upside. But the 39,000 level, I would view this as more of an area on a chart. So, you know, usually we are pretty precise with the levels. But in this case, you can get front run, so I don't really care if I'm gonna enter, let's say, $200 above the key level that we will have on the chart. What I mean by this is I would be looking to enter at around 39,100, 39,000 with the invalidation below 38. Important thing to mention here is obviously it's always not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Trading paper money, of course, on here. But yeah, this will be the levels, or these will be the key areas on the chart that I would be paying attention to right now. Really looking to take this the 6.6 and the 39,000 area. I'm still patiently waiting for my level to be hit. Do whatever you want. It's up to you. This is my plan. This is what I'm looking for right now. I'm remaining patient here, even though we almost hit it at level in the evening. I still believe that we will go somewhere to this area, but we will see, obviously. So this is a BTC. Where is the first level of resistance to look for? Well, in my opinion, this is quite simple here, and really the first intraday level of resistance that I'm looking for right now is this 382 Fibonacci in confluence with the daily and previous day POC. So here this 382 40,800 giving us confluence with this horizontal 40,994 and this naked POC right there, 41,100 we can say. Let's double check this on a daily volume profile template, and actually on the exo chart this is coming in a little bit lower, 40,999, so we can say 41k. So really this is the first level of resistance that I would look for on a BTC chart. Obviously the big one that is coming in here would be somewhere let's load up the horizontals. Well, yeah, this is lining up pretty nicely. That 42,500 area would be first like a key resistance to reclaim to actually continue higher here. But yeah, we will see how it will go. So no crystal ball here, unfortunately. But 41,000, and then we have another one at 42,500. If he can reclaim this, we can most likely continue up to that monthly 43,800. If you can reclaim even this one, well, then it's been much more interesting here in terms of some bullish move 3 upside, and maybe we can continue up to that weekly 50,776. But these are the levels that I would pay attention to right now. So is it clear for you on a BTC chart? I think that I showed the key levels that I wanted to. This is my plan right now. Honestly, I wasn't really day trading today, since not like the best opportunity on a chart, to be honest, and sometimes no trade is the best trade. Even though there was a pretty good volatility, pretty good moves, I wasn't sure about my entries, or you are never really sure if it's going to play out. But rather to stay on the sidelines for me today and just wait for key levels to be hit, which they weren't today for me. I was waiting for that 41,000 short. We didn't hit the level, so staying on the sidelines, waiting for the next high probability trade setup. So let's have a look at gold. On a gold here, this is pretty clear. We are reclaiming, or we are getting retracement from that monthly at 1975, which I think that if I'm going to show you the Discord for a Wizards, let me actually try to find this. Personally, I wasn't shorting this today, but we knew about this resistance in advance, and here we are. So yesterday 1433, I was saying 1975 next possible short and gold USD, which this is moved approximately off 0.5% to the downside, 10 pips down. That's a decent move. Can you please show Fibonacci time on a BTC chart? Sure, why not? We will go to 4 hour, I think. We are pulling this on a 4 hour time frame, and we were looking for this. Yeah, we are approaching 1-to-1 extension or Fibonacci time extension. Well, the thing is, you have to view this as, for example, on a weekly time frame here, which you need to give it a little bit of leeway. So this is nice confluence that we are actually going to key support on a 1-to-1 Fibonacci time extension. Pretty nice confluence here, but I would view it as a 2 days minus, 2 days plus, if you understand me, or if you know what I mean. If this is 11th of April, I would view like area on a chart from 9th of April to, let's say, 13th of April, right? I personally think we will go up from the 39,000 area to at least 42,000, in my opinion. And once again, no financial advice. Do whatever you want, do some research, and then enter a trade, I would say. But this is my plan. But let's check the gold. Actually, on a gold, I'm looking for one key level to buy, which is very simple. We will go to under here. So I wasn't shorting this, which now seems like a mistake. Once again, I wasn't feeling like sure about my entry. Was rather staying on the sidelines here today. But the level that I'm waiting for is this one, this 1942 area. So on 1 hour time frame, this is giving you your naked POC down there. 1942 with your daily horizontal support, but also there is a VP a little bit below this. So this is area to buy on a gold, in my opinion. Once again, no financial advice, but I would be looking for taking a long position somewhere over here. So my alarms set on, waiting for level to be hit. Let's see how this is going to play out. Got it, thanks. Yeah, no problem, sure thing. Basically, the thing that we can do here on a BDC about that fib time pool, so you can actually pull this from really the low of the move, which was here, right? And then we are not even hitting the 618. But how I view this personally is basically we got wave 1 retracement, wave 2 retracement. This is not Elliott wave count, by the way, but here you have your wave right here, and this is your retracement right now. So what we can do is we can try to look if the Fibonacci time was respected on these moves to the upside. I'm going to show you what I mean. So impulsive move to the upside, retracement. Let's go to daily time frame here. Basically, you see that the bottom was almost put it in on that 1-to-1 Fibonacci pool. Once again, let's try it here. The initial move to the upside started on a 2.618, but you see even the reactions from the 618 to 1.618 and so on. So the idea behind this is basically, once again, looking for positive move up on a daily time frame here. Yeah, give or take 3 days here, 11, 12, 13 maybe. This is the level, or this is a date to look for right now on a BDC. So guys, once again, no financial advice, but these are the levels that I'm paying attention to. So let me do one thing. I like to do this actually. I like to draw these predictions with the brush tool here. and you know then I can flex with exactly as predicted meme in a Discord, basically looking for something like this on a BDC. Can I get stopped out? Can I be wrong? Yes, for sure. You know, game of probabilities as always, but this is what I'm looking for right now. If you check the volume, let's check the volume together. You know, let's do this on 4-hour time frame. Is this a heavy volume coming in that you would expect? Okay, now we are getting the final bounce from the VP. Check the 4-hour, these 4-hour candles right here. And if you want to be precise, which you like to be, let's check the Delta Cluster template, and we will know more. Okay, so currently I'm talking about these candles right here. So, for instance, yesterday, 500 million volume on this candle, 400 million, 445 million, 458. On this impulsive move to the upside, which we got today, 200 million, 170, 166. Is this a heavy move to the upside on a heavy buying pressure, heavy volume coming in? Well, I guess the answer is pretty clear. It is not. The level of why we are stopping here, this is not a random, and this is a daily open level. This 39,500, this will be first level to look for support. And right now we are taking down the Asia naked POC. Yeah, right here. We're actually getting some bullish divergence down there. No, not really. Normally I would be scalping this, to be honest. But I think that we will go down to this daily open. We're gonna look for reaction on the daily open, but I think that we can actually go lower, and here we are. Let's see. The daily open is definitely first level of support to look for. We'll see how it will go here. Let me show you one important level on that gold, which I forget to mention. So, like I said, 1942 is the first level of support to really buy on a gold, in my opinion. 1942 to 1939, but we have a little bit bigger one, in my opinion, at 1932/33, which is a POC of this previous range that we created on a chart. This would be the level that I would be looking for. Once again, we will see how it will go, but 1942 first level of support, 1933 biggest level, in my opinion, to hold. If we will lose the level, we can go down back to 1920, I would say. I'm remaining patient here. Really, for the key level, no need to rush anything. So guys, do you have any type of question? If there is anything that you want me to cover, we can go through it here on a stream. Maybe we will take Monday previous day low. No financial advice. Yeah, 39,200. Yeah, I'm personally still looking lower. So in my opinion, it's likely, but definitely approaching first level of support. If I would be trading this, let's have a look for a stop loss here. Well, usually these daily open with the previous day value area level or if you have anything lining up with daily open, which you have right now, they are being respected quite well. The stop loss that I would use, so you're gonna enter here, will be like tight one, 19, sorry, 30. Should be looking less on a gold. 39,350 would be stop loss, but this is, you know, this is not position that I'm taking. It's, in my opinion, it's not like extra high probability trade setup here. And the open interest is actually increasing. We have a momentum behind the move. Yeah, I'm gonna rather wait for it long down there. So guys, do you have any type of question? Once again, I'm gonna cover it here. Also, Pigman actually saying that he shorted gold on monthly. That's a pretty good short in the end. I just didn't feel like I want to enter into this here. Once again, remaining patient, waiting for the best possible setup here on the chart right now. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update for you all to show you some of the key levels that I'm paying attention to right now. I hope this helped. If it helped, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Join our Discord, link is down below the video. And give a video like and all of these things. Share it with friends. I will really appreciate this. This is everything for today's live stream. Thanks all for joining me today once again. Have a good night or have a good day, depends on your time zone. And see you tomorrow in a group, maybe on our key level on a BDC. We will see. Have a good day.